Hello everyone, in this video we will see an exercise on Alteryx. The objective of this exercise is how to append the data by the column position with the union tool in case of Alteryx. The meaning of this particular exercise is that whenever the column position is same, so how we are going to configure it according to the column position, how you can append it. So the objective is that how we can append the data according to the column position with union tool. So I'll go to this in-out tab, bring this input data, go to this connect file option, click on this. It will show us the data connection window. Select the file as sales 2020. Now it will be asking us to select a sheet from it. So I will select a sheet named as union data position file. Then I will select a range. So I will go here with range 3, click on OK, then click on run. So I'll show you the database first. This is the data. The position of the columns are same: month here, record number, month here, record number. In the first case, in the first table, January to June are the months, 2018 year, and record 1 to 6. Similarly, July to August month, 2018 is there, and 7 to 12. So how you can append this to table? That we have to see. Whenever the position is going to be same. So you just click on Control C, go over here, and Control V. So Control C for copy and Control V for paste. Now I'll go to this particular file. So over here the file which is being selected and inputted in this particular input data tool is input, same file, sales 2013 copy and range 3. So I'll change the range. So this makes us easy whenever you have to use the join tab tools. Now I'll select range 4, click on OK, and then I'll click on run. So over here we can see the record number 7 to 12. In previous case we have seen the record from 1 to 6, that is January to June, and over here we can see the record from July to December, that is 7 to 12. Now we'll go to this join tab, bring this union tool over here, connect this with so as over here we have connected this with the union tool which is there. So go over here, so click the option as auto configure by position and then click on run button. So by using this particular option, that auto configure by position, the position of the columns was same, and when I have clicked on this particular output anchor, so this is going to show me 12 records which is going to be displayed. When I click on this first, so this is going to activate this particular line. So 6 records are there, and then when I click on this second line, which is going to this particular unit, so another 6 records ranging from 7 to 12 is there. And when I have clicked on this particular output anchor, so this output anchor and this is going to be the same. So month, year, record. So these are nothing but the same. Position is going to same, but they have appended the records and it is being compiled. So likewise, we can do it by using this particular auto configuration by position. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.